Hey guys, what's up? This is Rahul from NS channel. Today in this video I am going to unbox a very cheapest and very hard working tripod. Those people who are want to create YouTube channel and make videos to post in YouTube, they need DSLR camera and tripod. And they have no budget to buy DSLR camera and they want to shoot from your mobile phone. Then also you need a tripod. And maximum tripod cost is 2000 to 5000 and 25000. And here in this video I am going to unbox a very cheapest tripod from PAYTM. The cost is only 549 rupees. Okay guys, let's go for unboxing. Hey guys, this is our tripod. I can purchase this from PAYTM mall. Okay guys, let's unboxing it. Okay guys, I am going to unbox this tripod. I think this is cool. I'm cutting this one here. Just openly unboxing here. Yes, it's really cool. Wait a sec. The PAYTM packing is too good guys, because PAYTM never compromise on packing and delivery. Something is here. Okay, and this is the bill guys. This is the box of tripod. Here you can see the name of tripod 3110A. It is looking cool, I think. And here's some features added: 3-way vanish, 4-section leg, quick level up, and rubber something is here reflective. Okay guys, let's go and open it. I'm opening from here. Wow. I think this is a tripod. Yes, this is a tripod guys. I'm opening it. Wow. Okay, see this. It's amazing guys. You can buy any tripod with Amazon or Flipkart. They does not give a mobile holder, but PAYTM is giving mobile holder also. Wow, thank you PAYTM. And we're going to open tripod. Guys, this is the tripod. Wow, it's looking cool guys. This is the tripod. Okay, first I will check how it is. It was really good, and I want to see what is the height. Here's the clips are there. Hey guys, the tripod is so cool, looking good, and it is in good condition. Good plastic metal is used. Here is this steering to control your video graphics. To control your camera, here is the camera slot. Guys, this is a camera slot, and this is a mobile holder guys. You can shop with Amazon or Flipkart. they can't provide you a mobile holder with tripod, but PAYTM is providing mobile holder and a very beautiful case for us. Okay guys, this case also made with good, looking good, and this one also good I think. Okay, let's see. Here guys, I'm connecting this one. I can connect this one mobile holder and it is looking perfect. It can be made with good plastic and it can be made with a good metal material. Okay guys, it can be very strong. I'm feeling better. The price is only 528 rupees guys. You can see here. And this is the adjustable mode. And here is the adjustable holder. Here's the adjustable holder guys. This is the adjustable holder. And this is a steering to control any other object, to control the angle of distance. And this is the layout of structure. Okay. And here you're providing 3 clips. It's really cheap. Wow, it's very good. You can see, you will be see here. This is the adjustable icon. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video.